My name is Ashutosh and today video topic is negative effect of fast food. Fast food consumption can have profound negative effect on individual health, society and the environment. In this detailed discussion, we will explain various dimensions of the detrimental impact. First one is the health implication. Fast food is often criticized for the high level of unhealthy ingredients such as trans fats, saturated fats, sodium and sugar. This component contribute to various health issues including obesity, diseases, diabetes and hypertension. Excessive intake of the fast food has been linked to an increased risk of developing chronic condition leading to a public health crisis. Example of this deficiency is regular consumption of fast food, high strain fats of sodium is linked to an increased risk of the condition like obesity and hypertension. For instance, a person consistently including a fast food meat might experience weight gain and elevated blood pressure, ultimately leading to higher likelihood of the problem. Obesity epidemics. Fast food is a major. Second one is this is the obesity epidemics. Fast food is a major contributor to a global obesity epidemic. The high chloride and low nutrition content these meals combined with the large portion size encourage overeating and weight gain. This trend are particularly concerning as a obesity associated with an myriad and health problem, including but not limited to a heart disease, stroke, and certain types of cancer. Example is in many Western countries, the rise in the fast food consumption parallel sugar obesity rates. For instance, of prevalence of fast food outlet in urban areas correlates with the increased obesity rates, highlighting the role of this establishment in contributing to obesity epidemics. Third one is the impact on children. Children are especially vulnerable to a negative effects of a fast food. Marketing strategies employed by fast food companies they often the target on children, promoting unhealthy eating habits from an early age. This can lead a long-term health issue and increase the likelihood of obesity-related condition. Example is aggressive marketing strategies like offer toys with kids meals can influence children food choice. For example of child exposed to an intensing fast food promotion may develop a preference of this option, setting up the stage for a lifelong habit of unhealthy eating. Fourth one is a nutrition deficiency. Fast food is a notorious for being is nutritionally inadequate. Meals are often low in essential nutrients such as vitamins, minerals, and fibers. Regular consumption of these nutrients, food, poor food can lead a deficiencies negatively affected overall health and well-being. Example is a typical fast food meal often lacks of essential nutrients. For instance, a burger, fries, and soda may provide excess calories but insufficient vitamins and minerals, contributing to a nutrition deficiency over time. Fifth one is the economic burden. The economic consequences of fast food related health problems are substantial. Increased healthcare cost for treating conditions like obesity and diabetes place a burden to a healthcare system and can result in a decreased productivity and economic growth. This this creates a cycle where the negative effects of a fast food extend beyond individual health to impact society at large. Example is the economics impact of obesity related healthcare cost is explain and strain of a healthcare system. For example, a surge in obesity related cases place it increase the financial burden and national health services, diverting resources from the other essential health initiatives. Environmental impact. The fast food industry also takes a toll on environmental. The production of ingredients like beef contributors significantly deforestation, water pollution, and greenhouse gas emission. Additionally, the excessive packaging use of fast food generate large amount of waste, further contributing to environmental degradation. Example is the beef industry major support suppliers for fast food chain is associated with deforestation. For example, instance increased demand of beef contribute to a clearing forest such as Amazon rainforest for cattle grazing, exacerbating environmental degradation. Soc- Social and culture ramification. 7 is fast food popularity has led to change a social and cultural norms and around a food traditional healthier eating habits are often replaced by the convenience and uneducated and fast food. This shift can make erode culture, culinary practice and contributing to a globalized homogenized food culture that prioritize speed and accessibility over nutritional value of diversity. Example: traditional diets are often replaced by fast food in unbiased areas. For example, a global prevalence of a fast food outlet can lead to a erosion and culture, culinary practice, and individual of convenience and standardized option over traditional local source meal. Eight negative impact is addiction and cravings. Fast food is designed to addictive with a high levels of salt, sugar, and fat tagging pleasure center in the brain. This can lead to a craving and addiction like behavior, making it difficult for individual to make healthier food choice and break free from the cycle of fast food consumption. Example: a high level of sugar and fats in the fast food can lead to addictive behavior. For example, person regularly consuming sugary drinks and high fats snacks may developing craving and making it challenging to a transition to a healthier diet. Its negative impact is impact on mental health. There is growing body of research linking fast food consumption to a mental health issue. Diets are high in processed and fast food have been associated with a increased risk of depression and other mental health disorder. The incontinence and physical mental health underscore the importance addressing diet and promoting overall well-being. Example is diets rich in processed foods are linked to a mental health issue. For example, a study may find an association between frequently fast food consumption and increased rates of depression, enhancing the increased link between diets and mental well-being. 10 negative impact is accessibility and socio-economic disparities. Fast food is often more accessible and affordable than healthcare alternatives, particularly in the lower income communities. This contributes to a socio-economics disparities. Health and individuals with limited finance resources may be more likely to really fast food, exacerbating and existing health inequity. Example is fast foods often dominate low income neighborhoods. For example, lacks of affordable healthy alternative in these areas may force individuals with the limited financial resources to really heavier and easily accessible and expensive fast food option, perpetuating health disparities. Conclusion is in conclusion, the negative effects of fast food extends far beyond the individual health concern. They permeate through a society impacting the environment, economy, and cultural norms. Recognizing and addressing this in multi-affected issue and crucial for promoting healthier individual and communities. This is all to discuss about a negative impact on a fast foods. There are 10 negative impact are discussed in this video. Thank you so much.